Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the newest app Apple just launched, which is Apple Sports, for all of your sports and live update. We're going to show you how to download and install it, and also take a preview of how the app looks like so you can see it in real time. Now, in order to get this new app, first thing is you need to go into your setting of your iPhone, go to General, Software Update, and check the version of the iOS you have. It needs iOS 17.2 or later. So if you haven't updated to iOS 17.2 or later, you will not be able to see this version of the app yet. So if you need to update it, you can update it here. You can also go into your settings, General, and then About, see the version of iOS you have. As you can see, I have 17.3, so we're good to go. And after that, all you need to do in order to get the app is hop over to the App Store. Now, on the App Store, it should already show up as a new app right here we can get here. But if it doesn't, you can always go over here and search for Apple Sports, right? If you search it up, it will also come up on this list right here. Now, we can see it's from Apple here. Now, if we go up to the main page and see what it introduces, so as you can see, it's a new app to add your starting lineup, or basically be able to see the sports and the score right on the app itself. It's going to be pretty much like a live scorecard on your iPhone without having to go to the various different apps to see it, or going over probably ESPN or something like that. So as you can see here, the app includes MLS, NBA, and then NCAA, and it's a bunch of other ones. And then I guess additional leagues will come sooner or later, which again in the future, probably their upcoming season when they do happen. And you can see here now, in order to get it, it's going to be really simple. We're going to hit that get button, and then it's probably going to prompt you to enter your Apple ID password, because the first time entering. So I'm going to enter my Apple ID password here. All right, after that, just simply hit the sign in here, or use your Face ID. It might ask you for Face ID if you have Face ID enabled as well, or Touch ID. And it's looking to go ahead and start, and let's go ahead and take a look. So it's downloaded. It's going to look like this. So let's go ahead and open that up. And so it's the very first time, so we'll see how it looks. So it does take a moment to load. And as you can see here, continue here. And after that, let's see. There you go. So the default, it shows us some of the games here that are available. You can get started and then unlock your favorite. So you can pick your favorite team if you like. So if you already have favorite sports, maybe you want to add, I'm going to add here. You can favorite your favorite teams or the leagues as well. I guess here you can see here. So I'm just going to pick some up here and then favorite some, and then go back, hit done here, and then close it out. So there's no game now. It looks like it will be yesterday, today. You can see the upcoming games that are happening. So this is a new app. So let's see what else we can do in the menu here. So you can see my team, leagues, you can manage. So you can unselect things if we don't want it. And you can see here the leagues that are currently available. I'm guessing there's going to be more leagues probably coming up in the days to come. But let's go ahead and just play around with this a little bit further. So this is cool because you can see all the scores in sort of one spot instead of having to go to multiple spots, right? Which I think is pretty cool. Now it might be a little bit simpler to follow. Let's see what we have now. Close it out, and as you can see here, we can see a lot more thing upcoming, happening today, the scores yesterday. Let's go ahead and click on it. So it gives you a lot more details as well here. You can see the lineup here, play by play. Now each one, of course, is going to be different for each of the games, but you get the idea. Pretty clean interface, I would say, in terms of getting score cards. But yeah, go ahead and check it out if you want to. This is the new sports app. I'm sure it's going to get pretty big in terms of once more people use it and more leagues are being added. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.